Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video where today I want to talk about some few things, or not few things. I went back, I haven't touched my YouTube channel in like a week, right? Only, and there's this one video that is like, this song is so peaceful, Undertale, right? So, I only watched that video like a few times, right? Like 12 or like 15 times because I kind of like it. So, I just left the video for like a week. And then I went back, looked, and I have 970 something views. Are you kidding me? Thank you. Alright, thank you so much. And also in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make YouTube videos on any phone. Right here. On any phone. I don't know if you have but I think there's like this one app where I just don't know. Alright. So first step. The first thing you should download every single time, the first thing you should download is this app called X Recorder. It's a good recorder where if you press this button right there, see pause right there, stop. No, those are the tooling buttons you should use. None of the other buttons. So the next thing you should the next thing you should download is Twitch right there, up there. Twitch right here. Alright, here the reason why. Once you have this thing right here on your screen, you go to Twitch. Alright? And then just look up a way to have like your last save, your past broadcasts. Because there is actually a way where you could save your past broadcasts. Just look it up on YouTube. So you go on a random video right here. Right here. Some random video. You start recording it, right? Record the video right now. Like recording. And then once you got your whole minute of recording done here, or like how long you ever want it, pause it, quit the app, and then the next thing you should download is this app right here. I'm moving around. It is called CapCut. I don't know if it's on every single device. I don't know, but I'm gonna press it right now. You go on CapCut, press new project, and then in your things right here. All right, we're going to use this as a example, and then you add your video right here. So there is a lot of things down here that you could use. Press this, it'll show more like other editing. And if you ever want to freeze the time, go all the way over here, and then there'll be freeze right here, reverse, copy, and other a lot of things that you can figure out by yourself. So right here, you see this button right there, like right there says split. So I'm gonna edit this video, right? I'm gonna go all the way right. I'm gonna delete this because I don't like this that much. We're gonna go all the way right, go here, and right here, I'm gonna press it and press split. Press this right there. So once I split it, you see that like line right there, and then like that random thing. You press that. If you want, then you could like put some effects like transitions, like like let's use clockwise. See that right there, and then we're gonna do memory. See that? So those are the transitions. There's a lot more like this or anything else, but I'm not gonna pick anything. So we're gonna press that check mark. Right here, text, you can put anything you want. Add text and just put perfect. And then like, alright, hold on, let me go back to here. let me go to style real quick, and then once you finish typing, you see all of this. You can put that if you want, or that, or like go to here, shadow, go all the way right, put blue on, so it has like a blue shadow, and we're gonna keep this. Let me move this. We're gonna keep this. We're gonna put it right there. So yeah, you have your words if you want, and then so since we're not, all right, let's just move to the side. If you see the slime right here, you can move it more right. Of course, I am going to put it all the way over here, right there, and then move this right here. You press this. You press this half of the video right here, and then you could scroll right and you see delete right here. Next to animation and remove background. Press delete, that will be deleted. Exactly. And then you have this part left right here. You could let's go back. Press that button. And then you could just put stickers if you want. Like perfect. Just make that small there. Just put this in the corner. Put it in the corner. Boom. Then like you go all the way over here, unpause it, and then you see the thing in the corner, and then there's your video so far. And then like the next thing you can do is maybe go back if you want. Go all the way right. You remember that thing that I said about freeze? Yes. We're gonna go all the way over here, then press the freeze button, and then you will have a freeze right here. So if I go here, it will not move. That means it is because it is freeze. So let's delete that for now, and then the rest you could find out yourself. Even there's a way that you can, if you press audio right here, then press sounds, you can extract sound from video. So if you like grab like any video you want, any video, like legit any video you want, it will not show the video but only play the sound, which is awesome. I love that. So you could go on YouTube, just record a video of just someone screaming, and then you put it in here, and then you hear it. Boom. Sound. I like this app so far. It is like, I think I recommend this a lot, that you should use this. So yes. And then you see this arrow up here, like that top on the top right, you press that, and then over here in here is like frame rate, uh uh resolution, like over here you can bring down in the middle, or like, and plus if you see estimated file size above the export, that's how much size you can have. Like MB, bring all the way to 400, 480, boom, 5M. So yeah, let's go back. And then this is a good app you should use. So let's get out of this. And then the last thing that you should get is thumbnail maker right here. So you can make your thumbnails. You can figure this. Well, I think you should. God damn! Just get on my screen, bro. I swear. Leave me alone. Why does that? There we go. And then press just at the bottom says right here. Press custom thumbnail, and then my recommended thing that you should press is the YouTube at the top left. Press that, and then like it'll just fit your thumbnails and YouTube videos. So yeah, this is not the final thing actually. I have one more thing right here. YT Studio. Download this. Put your YouTube account on it, and this is like YouTube Studios. So here's the dashboard. Here's the videos. Here's the video I was talking about right here. You could go here. See, 979. My God. People love Undertale so damn much. Alright, you see like down near views. It says 980. Alright. Then like you can press edit. Press if you press this, then you can just press that like right here. If you press right there, edit thumbnail. So press that pencil thing. So we're gonna go back, and then like, all right, I'm gonna go back here. Let's go on here, and then like, actually no, not here. Let's go back. Let's press the 3 lines at the top left, and go to analytics. Analytics. See this? Real time views. It shows last 28 days, 1,000 views. Damn. Top videos. This is so peaceful. Undertale. Reach. Like audience. A lot of males, less female. Age. 8. Okay, let's not worry about that. Alright, let's go down. Let's go all the way to like. Where's the analytics? Just legit analytics. Reach. Bro, I'm legit looking for the most. Oh my god, bro. Not just engagement. How the hell am I not? It's fine. It's fine. Just let's go back to overview. The views. See that? That shows how much views you have. And then real time views. Estimated for you. Stuff whatever. I never touched this video in a while. This is so peaceful. Undertale, 979 views. Never touched that in a while. Even there's like 39 likes. I cannot put that much likes, except if I have 39 accounts, which I don't. So like we can go back, and then boom, that's it. The 4 things you need is YouTube Studios, X Recorder, Thumbnail Maker, and the final thing, and so let me tell this. What you need is YouTube Studios right here. This. You need X Recorder. This. You need Thumbnail Maker. This. And you need CapCut. This. So those are the 4 things you need to make your YouTube video. Oh, and one more thing. You need Twitch. This. Or any streaming thing that you can get from your Xbox. Since I search up ways that you can make a YouTube video on the Xbox, and I really don't like them, so I think this is the best way using Twitch. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you watched, and if you, whatever, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Not really asking, you can do it yourself if you want. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.